Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel again. Today we are going to learn how to create a React app and run it using Visual Studio Code on a MacBook M3. So let's get started without any delay. For first, we need to install the React. For React installation, there are some dependencies you should follow. First, you should have installed node.js and npm in your system. So I have already created a video. You can go and check my old video how to install node.js and npm in your system, MacBook. Similarly, you need to have some ID, Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Atom, or Bracket. So I prefer Visual Studio Code. So similarly, I have created a video earlier for how to install Visual Studio Code in a system. Now we need to install React from terminal. So for that, the command is npm install -g create React app. Now go to your terminal, then you can type this command and it will take few seconds and it will install the create React app. And to check what is the version of React app, you can type create React app -- version. Now it's the time we can create a React app project using create React app. Before that, you should install some of the extension. One is like as I have mentioned here, one is React snippet, which will help in React development. React snippet, you can go and check. Yes, simple React snippet which will help in React writing code very faster. Just you can see, just write one line and you can, it will import the whole class structure. It will import the skeleton class. It will help, so you can install it. So it really helps you while doing a development and writing a React code. Now it's time we should create our first React project app. So now we need to open the terminal. So create new terminal. From here we can go and type something create. So we need to first open a folder. We need to create a folder for React app. You can go here. I have created React folder. You can open it, and inside that folder now we'll create a first React app. Create, you can see React app, my first React app. So now it will take few seconds. It will installing the React DOM, all the dependencies which are needed to create a initial React skeleton app, and within few seconds it will be installed in your system. Now you can see now React app is created in my system. So now we'll go to that folder, cd my first app, and now to run this React app we'll create npm start. So it will take few seconds, and now you can see my React app is now running in my browser. So if you want to change anything in the code, you can go here and change anything, and you can see how fast it is running. Reload in few seconds, type second and just save it, and you can see it is now refreshed within a fraction of second. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you. If it helps, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.